Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download Chime application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and open your App Store. Go to the search box and type in Chime and search. Look for this Chime mobile banking application from Chime Financial Inc. and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Chime is the banking app that has your back, keeping your money safe with security features, overdraft up to $200 fee free, and get paid early with direct deposits with no monthly fees. Once you have the installation completed, you can launch the app open and get started with it. So that's how you can easily download and install the Chime banking application on your iPhone in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.